Hey, let's talk Amazon Creator Connections. Do you want to know why some influencers pick your Amazon Creator Connection campaigns and others scroll right past? Today, I'm going to show you what Amazon Creator Connections looks like from the creator side so that your campaigns can stand out, actually get picked. You can actually get people that opt into your campaign and produce good content. We're going to go over how influencers search for campaigns, what they look like, what they're looking for, and how they report their content so that you as a seller and as a brand owner can structure your campaigns to attract better talent, to get the people that are actually produce good content about your brand and your product. Now, I want to point out, this is video number 4 in a series about Amazon Creator Connections. I have a playlist called Influencer Marketing here on the YouTube channel where you can see all of the videos in this series 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'd love for you to hit subscribe. Subscribe so that you can get access to all of the videos. Cost you nothing to hit subscribe. Tap that notification bell icon so you know when I post new content. No BS, no fluff, real actionable content for Amazon brand owners and sellers. All right, now let's get into this. In the first 3 videos that I did in this series, they're all from the perspective of you, the seller, the brand owner. Today, I'm going to take you into a different perspective as an actual creator. So I have an account with Creator Connections, not as a seller, not as a brand owner, but an actual influencer. Let's take a look at what that looks like so you can see it's really, really cool. And this will help you better structure your campaigns as a seller. All right, I am logged in now to the Amazon Affiliate Associates program. Amazon Associates is the name of Amazon's affiliate program where anyone can sign up as an affiliate and get affiliate links and promote products on Amazon and get paid for doing so. Creator Connections is a special part of Amazon Associates for the creators who actually create content. So I'm logged into my Amazon Associates account. And when you do that, you want to come here now. And yeah, you know, if you're watching this like, oh yeah, you've got a few clicks, you haven't made any money at all, $0. I have this for demo purposes. I'm not actually out there as an Amazon creator trying to drive traffic and make money. So if you see this and you want to be all negative, I don't care. That's not why I'm using this account. It's just a way to show you what it looks like. All right, I'm going to come to promotions, Creator Connections. This takes me to the Creator Connections page and voila. Now we actually see what we want to see. We can actually start to see real world campaigns. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Let's say you are an influencer. Let's say you are like a marketing person and you have a big audience and you're wanting to promote products so you can earn affiliate revenue. Let's look at the first 3 rows that I just saw. Didn't practice this, I just logged in. You're seeing it in real time just like I am. Let's go back there, the very first 3 rows. We got a coffee creamer or something, tailgate bar or something, and a mosh plant something. Now let's just assume that our target markets, our influencer market works for any of this. Quick glance, which one of these is more attractive, right? Which one's more attractive? On this one, I'm only gonna make 15%. And once this seller has used up $5,000 of their budget, it ends. I don't make any more money. Same thing here, 15%. It's only running for September, not just a month, 1 month. 1 month, right? I can only earn for 1 month. I'm only going to earn 15%. Like, let's say that this light cost $100. Let's just say that, right? $100. All right, times 0.15. So if I sell it, somebody clicks, I'm going to make $15. Well, 5,000 divided by 15. Once 333 people have clicked on that, they've used up the budget and my content that I created no longer is bringing money to me. Then you get over here and you go, whoa, here I can make 20%. There's $25,000 worth of budget still available, and this sucker is running for a whole year. So if I make a YouTube video about these chocolate crunch mosh bars and how good they are, and I link to it, I'm gonna get 20%, and I can continue to make 20% anytime somebody uses my link to buy until they've exhausted their $25,000 budget. And my content will be generating income, and that link is valid to generate revenue for me for an entire year. That is huge, right? I can only make money for a month here and only 15%. Not very good. So I'm gonna click on this one. to look at more of the details. If I hit accept, it's gonna show me as accepted. In other video number 3, I showed you I had 100 people accept, but only 3 people created content. So once I hit accept, I'm supposed to create content. Here's the campaign brief. Do you remember how over in episode 2, when we set this up, we went through the campaign brief and I explained how in great detail you needed to tell the creators what you want to accomplish. I talked about you could be the video producer, the director. If you missed that, again, video 1, 2, 3, they're all in the influencer marketing playlist here on the YouTube channel. Go back and watch those. You can see that clearly right here. Campaign brief, they're talking about, hey, I want you to highlight that this has up to 13 grams of protein, all the nutritional stuff, things to avoid. Do not make any unsubstantiated claims, like you cannot say things like bye-bye brain fog or these protein bars crush my cravings. You can't say that kind of stuff, right? So if I click accept here, then I get a link that I use. And once I do that, I have to actually be able to show my content. So just for example, this particular bar sells for $40.49, right? And to be honest with you, this looks pretty good, man. I want to eat one of those and I can save with Capital One. How about that? All right, so let's just do some math here. $40.49. 20%. So I'm going to bring out my trusty little calculator here. $40.49 times 0.20. So if I make content here and people click my link and go buy these Mosh protein bars, I'm going to make $8. Every time I make $8, that $8 comes out of this budget. But there's a whole lot of budget, right? A whole lot of budget because they set it up to be $25,000, which is why I said high budget matter. So $8 every time somebody clicks my link and goes and buys it, all from my content. So that makes it worth it for me as an influencer to create content, to make a YouTube video, to make a TikTok reel, to make an Instagram reel. Let's say that in fact I decided to do that. Then what I do here is I say accept. Now in this case, sorry Mosh, I'm probably not gonna do that. It's now available to review in the accepted tab. And now that it's there, I can show under active. Content not submitted yet. So let's say that I made a video, and I want to share that video. This is where I actually add the link to my content. So whether I wrote a blog post or I posted a YouTube video or an Instagram reel or something like that, that is where I would put that here in the content URL type. Now, also, let's say I want to do it, but I want free product. Here's where you can message the brand and I can say, hey, thank you so much for this opportunity. Please send me a case of these on the house and then I'll make your content. I want to tell you that in Creator Connections, when you launch campaigns, and I talked about this in the first 3 videos, you're going to get overwhelmed with creators sending you messages asking for free product. I always say, don't do it. Unless it's a creator you really want, you can send them free product. But otherwise, just hope that, if I don't feel like I can recover my $40 investment in buying that protein bar case, I got no business doing it, right? So in this case, I accepted it. I'm going to be one of those people now listed in their Creator Connections campaign as accepted but not submitted content, which is not great, but I wanted to demonstrate what that looks like for the sake of this video. Let's come back over here now and just get out of that and just come back and look at some more campaigns, Creator Connections, and now it's refreshed and you can just see lots and lots of campaigns, everything imaginable. And you don't just have to scroll. I could say TLO Outdoors is one of our outdoor brands. We do have tens of thousands of Instagram followers. And so I want to look for something about fishing. And now I have these rod holders. I have nothing with a big budget that excites me. You see what I mean about big? Now this one has a $10,000 budget of 15%. I can click on this. Let's try to see a little bit more about what we're selling here. Live bait aerator pump. So if I wanted to accept this and I could actually do a video about it, this is the kind of thing where I think I would actually have to buy the product or have them send me a product to do. But once accepting, you kind of expect it to do that. So you can sort of see all the different campaigns available and how to search for them. You can sort by recommended, newest release, commission rate, budget. Like send me something with the highest commission rate, 50% on these yoga pant things here. 50%, that's pretty high commission. That's where people are really going after it. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. This is really a real world glimpse. And now that you've seen what what it looks like from the creator side and what their responsibility is. I hope it really clarifies what these metrics and these settings look like on the brand side, on the seller side. You know now how to create a campaign that's really attractive to the creator. Make sure that main image pops, because that's what they see in the Creator Connections portal when they're trying to choose products to market. You know, we at eComCatalyst have worked with lots of different creators and influencers. We know what matters to them. If you want campaigns to consistently get picked up by the right influencers, we'll help you craft that. Hit the first link in this video description. It'll take you to eComCatalyst.com. Book a call with us. We'll talk about how we can help you with this marketing, with our full account management, or even one-on-one consulting. Now, one last thing. If you want to find better creators faster that can do even more than just Amazon stuff, I want you to check out a video I made earlier, also in that influencer marketing playlist on the channel. But it's about the influencer finder tool in Helium 10. Absolutely a game-changing tool. That video is called The Perfect Influencer Tool for Amazon and TikTok Sellers, 3x more sales. It's right here at the end screen. You can click it and go and watch it right now. Thank you so much for watching here.